No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So you join us down at Automodz for Saturday Shenanigans. I thought we'd kick this off again, see what we can get, and we'll show you what's here today, and hopefully log the progress of what we get up to today. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon guys. Right, so we're down here at Automodz. If you do need any recoveries, drop Automodz a message. They can collect your car, repair it, sort it all out for you if you need to. We're down here today in Mels Mondeo. We've also got Glenn down here. And Matt's down here as well, look. Changing some tyres on his dirty diesel. Are they Michelin? Yeah. Yeah, so he's just jacking his car up, changing some tyres. Something else that Automodz can do for you. We've got this one here that's just had an engine rebuild. We've got this one here that's had some repair work done that's waiting to be collected. This one here is an engine rebuild. I'm not sure what this one is here for. Always plenty to see down here. The sides are full as well, but I can't really get down there. Got a Mark III estate. An R-Spec Fiesta. Also got Barry's car in for an engine rebuild. This one's nice, got some nice wheels on it. Mark's inside giving this one a service. What else you doing, Mark?
Well, we've done oil and filter and just general service, but we've got to change this particular pipe here on this because they go very ignorant, isn't it?
You should still be able to hear you.
These go very brittle, these pipes do. They snap either here or down on this side here where this rubber pipe is, just there. And we've seen a few now with this particular pipe snapping just there too. It's a bit of a common issue on the Mark 7 Fiesta STs now.
Yeah. And you've got a Mark 1 RS in here, Mark?
Yeah.
Is that in for engine work?
Yeah.
This one's all complete now. Nice little pot there, wasn't it? Another happy customer. How are you getting on with your tyres?
Great.
Thought you was doing the front ones.
I am.
That looks new on the back.
Yeah, don't put new tyres on the front of your car, do you? Because it's understeer. You always put new tyres on the rear of the vehicle, and then you wear the back ones out first. Or else you'll end up with really old tyres on the back of your car.
Yeah.
And you've gone through 2 sets on the front.
Alright.
Do you not know that?
Well, I'd say oversteer is better than understeer.
This video is brought to you by Bowler.
Nearly got squashed.
You wanted to squash me, you'd squash me.
In goes Mels Mondeo now, which we're going to do something to, which you can find in another video, if Mark don't run me over. Got Glenn's ST going in now for a service and a coolant bottle change.
Got a customer that's come in, wants us to swap his bottle over and cap because of obviously the caps fell to pieces as normal, but this is how we actually do remove them without shoveling it up. So just use a bit of W40, nice flat pliers, put it in there, and then you rotate it around. As you rotate it around,
Straight out.
And
30 seconds.
not actually damaged. And you can put it back together. Done.
So customers requested a new bottle anyway.
That can't pop in. Sound like bangers. Oh no, it is somebody banging.
Start by removing those. Does the original one have those sort of clips on, or are they the one where you need the special pliers?
Yeah, constant tension springs. Yeah, they're nice. Not. But,
No bolts holding that in then, Mark?
No bolts, just pressure clips. Now, I want to get this out without wasting water.
It's expensive these days, isn't it?
Water?
That's professional, isn't it?
What's professional?
You've done that before, haven't you?
Not professional. See? Right, yeah, grab that. For crying out loud, you're just going to spilt it everywhere. Give it. Tube's gone all the way on, hasn't it?
Little ridge that you have to get it over, is it?
Mm-hmm. Just make sure it's on fully.
There's a little clip there, look, where it slots into.
Same knots
And
on
one
there.
at the back just there.
Right, you need to make sure you connect the right pipes up to the because that one is for the side of the engine and that one is for the radiator. Doesn't really make a difference, but that's how it is at factory. a tiny smear of lube to this here.
That sort of like just prevents any future issue, like prolongs it a little bit.
Yeah, it stops the rubber from bonding, because that's what happens. That's why the clip brake falls to bits. When you try and nut it, the rubber doesn't pull off the actual plastic, it bonds to itself.
Right.
And then you're undoing it and basically just pulls it away. So you put a bit of lube on it, stops it from sticking.
Then all that's left to do is top your coolant up to the correct level.
I'm just going to get some antifreeze. So we'll just fill it up with pure antifreeze. I'm not sure how strong his mixture is. Max line. Just tell over.
So just
Yeah, it's
pretty straightforward, really.
Yep. There's no need to bleed because we've not emptied the system. We've only literally lost whatever was in the bottle.
Yeah. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. You may have found some of it useful. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Give Automodz a like on Facebook. Contact him if you need anything done. And I'll see you on the next one, guys.